Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay Tap. To begin, ensure your Apple device, like an iPhone or Apple Watch, is charged and ready. Apple Pay allows you to make secure, contactless payments at compatible terminals. You can use it at millions of locations globally, from grocery stores to coffee shops, making your daily purchases much more convenient. It's a simple and efficient way to pay. Before you can tap and pay, you need to add your cards to the Wallet app. Simply open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. You can then scan your credit or debit card or enter the details manually. Your bank will verify the card, and once approved, it will be ready for use with Apple Pay. This process usually takes just a few moments. Making a payment with Apple Pay is incredibly straightforward. For iPhone, simply double-click the side button, then authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the terminal. You will feel a gentle vibration and see a check mark when your payment is complete, usually in less than 2 seconds. Apple Pay offers robust security features to protect your financial information. Every purchase requires authentication through Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, ensuring only you can authorize payments. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is used for each transaction, providing an extra layer of privacy and security for your purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.